everyone. Today I, Purvi Rawat
I'm Yakshika Sagar. I'm Pragya Arya.
of 10 is going to perform an experiment. The aim of this experiment is to study the properties of acid and bases on the basis of their reactions with litmus paper or solution, zinc metal and solid sodium carbonate. The materials required for this experiment is test tubes or test tube stands, dilute hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide pellets, zinc metal, sodium carbonate and solution of litmus paper, aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide and some dropper and spatula. Now my friend Pragya will pour some dilute hydrochloric acid in these 4 tubes. And my friend Yakshika will pour some amount of aqueous sodium hydroxide in these 4 tubes.
We will test it with the help of red litmus solution.
Now if we will add solution of red litmus in it, there will be no change. So let's try with litmus solution of blue. So now when we added blue litmus solution in acid, it turned red. It's red. Now we will repeat the same experiment with blue litmus paper. Now if we will add acid to it, it will turn red. You can see. Now Yakshika has poured aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide in these 4 tubes. Now if we will add litmus solution of blue
litmus
to it, there is no change in color. But if we will add red litmus to NaOH, it turned blue in color. Now we will repeat the same experiment with red litmus paper. When we will add aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide to it, it turned blue in color. Now we will see what happens when acid reacts with zinc metal. When acid reacts with zinc metal, it forms ZnCl2 with the formation of hydrogen gas. We can test the hydrogen gas when we will bring a candle, lighted candle close to it, it will burn with a pop sound.
The gas is clearly visible that it is evolving, and this gas is highly inflammable, so precautions should be taken while handling this gas.
Now we will see what happens when base reacts with zinc metal. The reaction is slow, but sodium zincate is formed, and hydrogen gas, the amount of hydrogen gas is not high, but it is the hydrogen gas.
Actually, the reaction between zinc metal and sodium hydroxide is so slow that it cannot be visible. So we want to show you that reaction is going on, but it is very slow. Actually, the products formed during this reaction are sodium zincate and hydrogen gas.
Now we will see how acid will react with sodium carbonate. Now we will add some amount of sodium carbonate to it.
Yes.
Now the
Brisk effervescence are clearly visible. This shows the presence of carbon dioxide gas, and this carbon dioxide gas, if passed through the lime water, it turns milky. Okay.
Now we will see what happens when base react with sodium carbonate. There is no reaction.
No reaction takes place when base reacts with sodium carbonate. So that's all for today.